Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for my currently in my Catchall planner using the PlannerSisterSticker kit. This is her Disney, I think it's her 50th anniversary one, but I'm using it because I am going to Disneyland and I am so excited and I am very, very ready to get on my vacation planning. So we're going to be using this kit and then the currently prompts from Planet Derby to add to the spread. So we're gonna just jump in. There's no wasting time here. Alrighty, so I've got to figure out what I want to do with this because I do have some Disney themed washi tape that I might pull, but I don't know what else I want to do with it, or if I even want to use the Disney themed washi tape. I do have this washi that says "You Are Magic" that I think I might use with it because I think that would be a good thing to do. So maybe we'll start with that and get rid of this design at the bottom here. Okay. Alrighty, so I do want to go ahead and pick out my currently words. So obviously we're going to use the word currently here. So let me just pull that off. So we want to do planning. We want to do watching. Celebrating because September is my birthday. Feeling is good. Well, come on. Enjoying is good. I do kind of want to do hoping for. We are going to do dreaming and visiting here. And these are leftovers from a different currently script. And I think we are going to also use grateful for. And maybe worried about. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. So we need to find 10 boxes or 10 items that we can use to add a little bit of fun. We are going to, let's see. I do like this one because you can see the clock tower a bit more. Not the clock tower, oh my gosh, the train station. We can see the train station a little more. So I'm going to put that here along the edge. And I do like this side of the castle showing too. So we'll put that in the corner up here. Okay. Now let's go to boxes and things and then we'll worry about the rest later. I am going to use some boxes from my reusable sticker book because I don't want to do too many. I don't want to waste any. And there's only a certain number of these, so. Okay. Okay, I think I have pretty much laid out all of the things that I need. So now we are going to look at the washi and see if we want to add any of this. And I really like these colors, so I think that these are definitely some that we're going to put in here just to add a little more color and fun, little excitement to the spread, and just make it more Disney looking. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I love this so much. And that is it for this month in my Currently planner using the PlannerSisterSticker 50th anniversary kit. I did cover up most of the 50th stuff because it's technically the 100th anniversary of the company and not the 50th anniversary of Magic Kingdom anymore. So the little stickers say 50th anniversary, so I just use these tiny little cards to cover that up and make it not 50th anniversary. And you can still kind of see like the little castle pieces here and there, but it's not that much of a difference that it's going to bother me. But I really love this. I think it's super fun. If you like this video and you want to see more of my Plan With Me's for each month of the Currently spreads, don't forget to check out the description box. It's linked in an entire playlist, and I do have other playlists related to other planning content, from art prompt journal books to polymer clay to vlogs, and also different kinds of planner playlists. So lots for you to browse in the description box, and you can also just check out my channel. Don't forget to keep an eye out on my Travel With Me playlist because I will be vlogging my entire trip at Disneyland. This is my very first time going to Disneyland, so I am very excited about it. We are pumped. It's going to be a fun experience, and I can't wait to share with you guys what we do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!